Today I'm going to show you how to make laksa soup. Laksa soup is a Malaysian soup that has a coconut broth base. And I'm going to show you how to make the paste from scratch, but if you are short on time, you can always just buy the laksa paste from the grocery store. It starts with dried shrimp, which you're going to rehydrate with a little bit of hot water. Also dried chilies. Let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Shallots go into a food processor. A few garlic cloves, 3 or 4. Some fresh turmeric root, and you don't have to peel the turmeric, just slice it, put it in. And then galangal root. It looks like ginger, but it has a completely different flavor. It actually tastes like pine to me. And then lemongrass. I like to buy lemongrass frozen from the Asian market that's already chopped up. So a few tablespoons of lemongrass. Traditionally, in this recipe, candle nuts are usually used. I don't have candle nuts, so I'm substituting cashews. Cashews work, macadamia nuts, anything oily. You're gonna add some peanut oil because it really does have the best flavor. And then you're gonna add a tablespoon of shrimp paste or shrimp sauce. Now this has a really pungent, funky smell, but it really makes the soup, so don't leave it out. And now we're gonna add the spices. And here I've got coriander, paprika, and cumin. Blend it up, and it'll be ready to go. Here is the laksa paste. Super flavorful. And all we need to do now is put the soup together. A little bit of oil to the pan. And we're gonna fry the paste that we just made. I'm gonna brown this up. You really wanna fry this until it starts getting really golden and brown. And this is where all the depth and the flavor of the soup is gonna come from. Even though it's sticking to the pot right now, it's all gonna scrape up when we add the stock. The soup is now ready, and we're just gonna dish it up over rice noodles. And then we're gonna garnish the laksa soup with some bean sprouts, fresh chilies for heat, and some cilantro. That's good.